We are definitely receiving an overwhelming response from our viewers, and it's very encouraging for us also. In fact, it makes us work better, and it also helps us know our viewers better. Now there are things that I need to clarify here is that if there are any questions pertaining to whatever YouTubes you all have seen, whether they are regarding productive thinking or whether they are regarding whatever we have been speaking on, the predictions or the personal or the professional life. Now when you all are sending me questions and answers, or when you all are wanting or seeking certain things, they are very individualistic, they are very personal, and it so happens that I will not be able to answer those questions to you all personally, because I cannot betray your confidences. I cannot just take a name and say this is the mail that has come to me, and this is like, for example, I'm going to read out a mail with no names, of course, and you will understand my predicament that whether I should give an answer to these questions or not, or from my side, if I'm not giving an answer to these mails, why am I not doing it? Just hear me out. It says, Dear Dolly Mangat, I've been watching your videos and checking your portal. I could realize that you'll be the perfect person to suggest the remedy for my problems. Unable to find or maintain a perfect friendship or healthy relationship, including family members, not even with my life partner. My communication skill is not bad, my knowledge is not bad or above average, my language skill is not bad, my personality, physical, above average. In short, relationships don't work. On the first meeting, everybody talks good about me, but later on, nobody shows interest. The above all keeping in mind, last couple of years I was trying to rectify myself if any wrong on my attitude, behavior, contact, emotions, thoughts, negativity, recording and rewinding any word mistake if has hurt them, reading lots of book of self-help, doing yoga, doing meditation. In a nutshell, I am unable to fathom why isn't my life going correct, because I do want to do very well in life, whether it is health, wealth or the relationships. Now, here I would like to answer that yes, I am at a position where I can answer all these questions to you, and that is why in all my videos I have been harping on that it's very important to know yourself, know your attitude, know where you are going wrong, how you are going wrong. But at the same time, I cannot sit here and give an answer to these questions publicly. Right? I have to make a chart. I have to know your date of birth, time of birth, place of birth. I have to consult with you personally. I have to consult with you on one-to-one basis. So that is how I agreed that it is a paid platform where you have to pay your this thing. But then I'm sure you will agree with me that when you fill out the form, which is at my website, and when you'll actually get connected with me and my team tells you how to go about it, this is all a ploy where I can connect with you all personally. And since all these things, even I am employing people so that they can care of you people, that is why the remuneration is charged. And I am definitely not going to answer questions which are just thrown at me or these emails sent to me, not because of any prejudice. The point here is to let people know through my videos what is right and what is wrong, what they can do to make their life better, and what they should not do. I am not an authority into telling every individual that this is a general statement for everybody. What may be good for one person necessarily may not be good for the other person. So when I make charts personally and when I consult with you personally, I am definite that this is what is required for you all to make your charts successful. And for that, the requirement is to fill out the forms at connect@dollymangat.com. Probably either Skype with me or come and meet me personally. And then we take the thing forward, and rest assured, I am very confident that all the problems, whatever they may be, are solved at my desk. Frankly speaking, it does move me, and I'm really touched when such elaborate emails are written to me. And my heart goes out to such viewers that with so much of faith and with so much of confidence in me, you all have written and you all have poured your heart out. And it's so difficult for me when I'm unable to answer on a public platform. So getting a personal, yes, I do understand that it does cost, but I would say a little bit of cost can improve your life, which is going to be much more fulfilling. We spend so much in life. We spend buying certain things which are probably not required in life. This is one spend that you will not regret.